Those who sow in tears shall reap in joy. That means when you are working, when you're doing a piece of job, you need to strain your nerve, your muscle, your brain, and you are doing everything possible within your limitations. You need to work hard. When you work hard, only then you can anticipate, you can expect, you can foresee, and you can definitely enjoy the sweet fruits. The result will be really satisfying. The result will be very joyful. You will be quite satisfied and happy about the results. So work hard, and then you're going to reap in joy. God bless you.